Hey there, thank you for joining me for my review of Leadler. Leadler is a software program that not only gets your emails delivered to your inboxes that you're sending to, but also where you can send them to multiple networks on top of that. My name is John Hooks from John-Hooks.com. Welcome to my Leadler review. I'm in the members area of it right now. We're going to come back to this in a moment. First, let me take you over to my bonus page and let me tell you how to get here. To get here from YouTube, just click the link below this video that says click here to get my exclusive bonuses and Leadler. And then click the link and that will take you to where we are right now. Also, go ahead and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the thumbs up and click the bell. All right, we're off to a great start. All right, so Leadler launches November 2nd of 2021, and it is a build one-click opt-in of verified email addresses in 60 seconds flat. All right, and so let's talk about it a little bit, but we're going to actually, I have some bonuses to give you if you decide to go ahead and pick up Leadler. Any of the red banners on my bonus page here will take you to your secure checkout where you can go ahead and pick up your copy. Getting Leadler through one of my links today will get you some fantastic bonuses to start off with, called Lazy Traffic Sniper. You know, brand new solution of finding and monetizing free buyer traffic. Solves two problems: getting the buyers and turning them into profits. Bonus number 2 is called Nova. Nova is a Chrome extension that allows you to follow targeted audiences on TikTok. Bonus number 3 is YT Velocity. You know, this is a set and forget free buyer traffic from Google and YouTube. And bonus number 4 is called YT Bucks. And YT Bucks is an exhaustive training on how to create or improve your affiliate marketing business with YouTube as the starting point. And an extra bonus for you, bonus number 5, is called the Super Shakedown. This is the inside secrets of the super affiliates with a series of master classes and case studies and additional training that will help you unlock and the code and breakthrough to start earning serious money online. You know, this here course, you know, in my opinion, has a value of at least about $699 by itself. All right, and then of course you'll have access to all the vendor bonuses which they've allowed me to give to you also. And in addition, I do have a demo video here of Leadler, but let's take a quick walkthrough of the dashboard. So at the time of this recording, things were still being put together, and but hopefully by the time that you're ready to get this on November 2nd, everything will be 100% up and ready to go. So this is the dashboard, a typical dashboard looking over here, and let's start over here with integrations. And so you can add different networks, LinkedIn, you know, Twitter, Google, and there are others that you can add also, you know, Facebook, I believe Instagram, you know, so you can add different networks where you can send traffic to. Then you have your campaigns that you create. Basically, you'll go up here, click create campaign. Let me go ahead and click it. You'll enter in your company name, any tags, SEO tags that you want in there, the description, and your redirect URL where you want them to go, you know, where your offer is going to go. And here you'll choose, you know, the network that you're sending it to. You're going to enable GDPR consent for your visitors. You'll want to do that. And then you have the option of also attaching your tracking pixels. All right, and you can add information down here as far as you know, first name, last name, email address, as far as how you want the your email to go out and what you want it to show, and click submit, and that creates your campaign. For the sake of time, I'm not going to actually go through and input the information. It's pretty, quick and simple there. Okay, and links, you can create your links here, and this will be your target of where you will be sending your traffic. All leads. Now you can actually upload leads that you already have, and or create them as you process that traffic. Okay, this here is send unlimited email. So this comes with the built-in SMTP email, and this is what will get your emails open. This opens a different window that looks like this. I haven't uploaded any email list on this because this particular program I'm working in now, this version is a shared version, so I don't want to expose my email list to everyone that is sharing this. But you'll have your different another dashboard for this, and it'll show you all your information, the total sent, total delivered, total bounces, total opens, total clicks, total unsubscribers, and much more. Okay, so there we go there. And you have your training. This will have your training videos here, your bonuses. You'll have access here for the bonuses that they offer, and then of course you'll have your support link. Now, like I said, there is a quick demo video here. Go ahead and watch this. Come back to my bonus page, watch it as many times as you want, but there will be, the training also. So if you want to just kind of get a quick look at what it's going to be about. Okay, and so a recap on Leadler here. It's the world's first smart lead generation platform that allows one-click opt-in of verified leads. Also, you get the free autoresponder with SMTP that I showed you earlier. So you can collect your leads from any visitor. You can build your list, faster without any coding skills. You can send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers. That can save you tens to hundreds of dollars a month, depending upon what other email services that you may be looking at. Smart technology, add only the genuine verified leads to your list. You can start generating leads and traffic from any platform, collect more leads, grow quality list of subscribers, get high engaged leads, and unlimited profits, of course. Okay, and so what is this going to cost? So the front end of it, $12. It comes up as $17 when you go to the sales page, but there is a pop-up $5 coupon, which will bring it down to $12, and you get everything that you were shown. And then there are 7 separate offers. One called Leadler Pro for $27. You can create unlimited campaigns and generate unlimited leads without any restrictions. OTO number 2 is called the Done For You template. You get more Done For You templates, more Done For You swipes, and Done For You campaigns that you can send your traffic to. So that's not too bad of a deal for $47. OTO number 3 is called the Enterprise, for $47 on the down sale. In this, you have the ability to start a brand new business by providing lead generation services to clients. OTO number 4, Leadler Done For You setup. And so, instead of you going through and setting up all your campaigns and links and everything, you can have it done for you for $97. OTO number 5 is the Leadler Fortune 500 Profit, for $27, and you can grab 500 of our best-selling products. Okay, and so you're handed, a bucket load of products. So if you don't have your own, and you don't have to worry about searching, getting approved for affiliate links and stuff like that. You have them all right here for $27. Another good deal with that. And OTO number 6, the Golden Membership, $1 million sold products for free with your commercial license. And OTO number 7 is reseller rights. Okay, for $87, you get 100% of the profits by selling Leadler, as your own, and you get 100% of all of the prices that I just went through. And I do believe that this comes with a 365-day satisfaction guarantee. So that's not a bad deal, for $17 or $12. Once again, you can click on any of the red banners on my page, take you over to your checkout. You can pick up your copy. This is sold through the Warrior Plus platform. And so after your checkout, you'll be taken over to Warrior Plus, where you'll click on the green button to get access to Leadler, and the blue button to access my bonuses that I offer to you today. All right. Once again, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the thumbs up and click the bell. Thank you very much. All right, that takes me to the end. I want to take this time to thank you for watching and checking out my bonuses and review of Leadler. Hopefully, if it's something of interest to you, go ahead and grab it today. But nonetheless, as always, to your success.